So let's discuss these questions. What does the ruler do as it makes that sound? And what happens when you stop the sound? So I don't know about your ruler, but when I make my ruler make the boinging sound, it bounces on the side of my table. Sometimes it bounces really quickly, that's more of a vibration, and sometimes it bounces more slowly, and in order to get it to stop bouncing, I have to grab the ruler to get it to stop vibrating. Is that what happened with your ruler too? It's interesting that the vibration or the boing sound comes from the ruler shaking back and forth really quickly on the side of the desk. So cool. Have you ever wanted to be a sound effects artist? Well, guess what? Today is your day. So, on this activities page, your job is to think of a sound effect that you would like to make. Here's some examples. Maybe you want to make the sound effect for a chugging choo-choo train. And when it goes but you're not making that noise with your mouth or your body, what could you find to make it sound like a train is chugging down the tracks? Here's an idea. You could shake a macaroni box, macaroni and cheese, just in the right rhythm if you shake it and shake it and shake it. So that could be the sound effect that you do. Here's another idea. What if you wanted to try and make the sound of a crackling fire? So maybe someone's camping and they have a fire going and we want to make the sound effect of that fire. So what could you use to make the crackling and burning fire? You could take a piece of paper, or if this says ramen noodles bag, or crumble up a big piece of cellophane to sound like a cracking fire. That's a great idea. Here's another one, a gurgling stream. So if you've ever heard a stream of water running down a hillside, you could use a drinking straw to blow bubbles in a cup of water. Oh, that would totally sound like a stream running down the side of a hill or through some rocks. Another idea is for a flying bird or bat, you could slap a pair of leather gloves together to make it sound like maybe the wings of the bat or bird flying. You don't only have to use these ideas. So your job today is to use the text tool or the pen tool, write and draw your item. So, for example, if I wanted to do the choo-choo train chugging down the tracks, I would write train and I would draw a picture of a train, the best that I can. And then I'm going to use the record tool to record my sound effect matching the train. You could do a fish swimming in the water. What sound effect could you match to the fish? Maybe I want to do a runner and I want to do a sound effect that sounds like the person's feet hitting the floor as they run. Maybe I want to do a rocket. I'm going to draw a rocket and I'm going to try to find something in my house, not my mouth, not my body, I can't make the sound with my mouth. I want to find something in my house that I can make the sound effect of a rocket shooting off into outer space. So you have 3 jobs, friends. You're going to write a title of what the object is. You're going to draw a picture of that thing. And then third, you're going to record the sound effect. Once you do that, we can totally hire you as a sound effects artist and a cartoonist. You have a job. Can't wait to see what you guys draw and your sound effects and how you did those sound effects. And as always, stay curious.